everyone, it's Melanie. This is one of my first videos, and so I don't really know what I'm doing, but Sephora just had their big VIB sale and I got a shipment in, so I thought I would do an unboxing and let you know what I got and share with my friends, test this out, and just give you my opinions. So here is the box, and it did take a long time to come in. The email pretty quickly, and I am a VIB Rouge member, and so this is something I've been looking forward to, waiting for it all year. And so I don't know about the rest of you, but I definitely do a lot of research on what I want to purchase, what I can save the most money on, things, you know, that I've been waiting for, things that are brand new, and it was pretty fun this year. They had some really good steals, and I'm excited to share what I got. Let's take a look. Okay. So one of the first things I got, which I absolutely love all the packaging on, is Pat McGrath. I got her Lab Skin Fetish Sublime Under Eye Powder. So all of Pat's stuff comes in this fun little sequin baggie, and I did also get her Eye Ecstasy Sublime palette as well. I just opened that earlier. So it is a 5-pan palette, lots of shimmery metallics, and it was a super good steal with the 20% off. So I've heard amazing reviews about this blurring under eye powder. I've heard it's phenomenal. It was $30 plus 20% off, which is fantastic considering I have precisely 0 under eye blurring powders. So I'm excited about that. I got, this is interesting. Wonder. Okay, so this is kind of disappointing. The packaging is super busted up. I don't know if you can see the cracks at the bottom here, but the whole thing is pretty damaged, including doesn't have a cap. But I did get the Ulla Hendrickson Glow to Dark Spot Toner. This is the smaller bottle because, you know, I just have been wanting to really try out different products with my skin. This has amazing reviews. I think it's Paige Curran. I follow her on YouTube quite a bit, and she just raves about this. So I got the little one at a discounted price, and I'm super excited to try it out. But I am pretty bummed about the packaging. Not really sure what happened there. Oh, this I'm so excited about. So I got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So I think I got a sample in like one of the little samples when you order something, you know, you get a free trial size or whatever. And I milked it. Like, I tried to make it last absolutely as long as possible. And I actually just used the last one like a little bit ago because I was so in love with it. I feel like it hydrates your mask, hydrates your face. It smells amazing. Like, so juicy, so fruity. It doesn't really agitate my skin, and you know, I'm looking for things that can remove fine lines. 32. I'm gonna be 33 this year, and so, you know, I live in Florida now, and I really want to preserve my skin, and so I'm trying to take extra steps to make things look younger for longer. And so I'm super excited. First of all, this packaging is the cutest. So Glow Recipe, cutest little watermelon on the outside, and then the inside is like absolutely, first of all, it comes with the little like spatula for you to apply it to your face, which is wonderful. But then it comes in the cutest bottle of all time. And honestly, kudos to Glow Recipe for having that watermelon packaging like all throughout the inside of the box. I'm a huge sucker for packaging. Absolutely love it. But is this not the cutest glass container you've ever seen? Like, gorgeous. It says it's glowing, radiance, and softening, which I feel like just when you're in the sun all the time, you know, you want to have that glowing, like hydrated look. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna make this puppy last as long as I can. And I'm really excited about it. on the mask front, let's just talk about best bang for your buck, okay? So the Thomas Roth is fantastic. First of all, my mother-in-law got me hooked on the water drench hydrating mask, I think it is, or just the moisturizer, the hydrating drench moisturizer. So I tried that out, got like some sample sizes or whatever, loved it. It's just so light and like it feels like a gel. It's cooling. I can only imagine if you actually put it in the fridge, which Mama Stanky, gotta try that because I think you'll love it. So I got the Thomas Roth Mix Mask and Hydrate kit. So it's a set of 6 masks, and it's $75 normally, but it was on sale, and then it was on sale with a 20% off. So it was a huge savings. I don't remember how much, but I was even thinking, you know, for me, I don't necessarily need all of these masks. I really, really love sheet masks, and I love my Glam Glow charcoal mask. So I don't need all of these, but how fun to even take one and make it into a Christmas present for a friend. Like, you don't necessarily have to keep and use all of these. So again, I was really trying to take the sale with like, how can I maximize this and expand this over time? Birthdays, Mother's Days, like, you know, fun things. And so it comes with the cucumber gel mask. This is the water quench there. The iris mood mud mask I have not ever heard of or tried. The 24 karat gold mask I've heard really good things about, and this pumpkin mask, like honestly, this is the pumpkin enzyme mask is one of the reasons I got this whole kit, and the cost of the kit was well below what a lot of these cost individually. So and then there's a rose stem cell mask, so that's really cool. I'm excited to try out some of these, gift some of these. So it's huge, and it was huge savings. So I'm really, really excited about this. Okay, 2 things left. So I got the Inky List Retinol serum. And so this says a derivative of vitamin A. This ingredient helps to promote skin renewal and enhance collagen production. So this was extremely well priced. Kind of reminds me of The Ordinary. Like, The Ordinary is amazing, and it's so affordable at Sephora. You don't always hear those 2 words together, like affordable and Sephora, but I'm so excited to try this. And it says it reduces wrinkles, reduces fine lines, and evens your skin tone. And so it's not necessarily something I want to use every single day. It says use in the PM on clean skin, apply a pea-size amount to face and neck, and then follow with your preferred serum or moisturizer. And so I'm excited to give this a go. It says your beauty translator. The definition of genius is making the complex and making it, or taking the complex and making it simple. That's from Albert Einstein. So love anything that's made easier. I think the packaging is great. It's nothing overdone. It just very clearly says 1 fluid ounce of retinol. Like, I'm gonna know exactly what I'm going for here. I love the black and white. I'm a huge sucker for black and white. I want my kitchen to be black and white. Husband, I want my kitchen to be black and white. Love black counters, love white cabinets. So I'm excited about that. A product I actually didn't get this for sale, but I did use last night for the first time in a very long time, was the Way leave-in conditioner spray. So I'm absolutely loving how that made my hair feel. It's so soft. It just smells amazing, and I feel like you sprayed it. I took a shower, I slept in it, brushed my hair out and slept, and then this morning it's just soft and like it feels weightless, but I can still smell it, and it smells so good. And I had completely forgot I had it. It's one of those things you put under the counter, you forget, and you just fall in love with it again when you take it out. So, Way leave-in conditioner. I don't have it with me at the moment, but top notch. So the last thing I got, I was very back and forth about getting. Here, look at this giant box. And you know, I was looking, and I just feel like it's something I've wanted since it launched. I have read so many great reviews and also watched so many tutorials on YouTube, and so many YouTubers using this in their videos. I'm obsessed with the colors and I just can't wait to use it. It is the Huda Beauty Mercury palette. So even this packaging, like I mean, good Lord, that's just beautiful. Like, hi. I know it's hard to see because my ring light is showing in there. Okay, there we go, that's better. But it's just a package that is plastic. It's a package. But I'm gonna pull the palette out and show you just because I feel like this one's normally I think $65, which is very expensive. But like I said, I've kind of been keeping my eye on it for several months, been saving up for the sale, and pre-COVID-19 had really wanted to get it. I went back and forth and just had to get it. So she looks just the same inside here as she does on her packaging here. That's probably because this is clear and this is the packaging. Just realized that because there's no picture on here. So that was very convenient, Huda. Super easy to make happen. Sorry, my cat Phoebe was just sniffing around the box because she loves a good box. So, oh, this is sad. Okay, well, we're gonna have to send this back or get an exchange or something because 2 of the shadows are broken. This is a huge bummer. So first of all, it doesn't have a shield over it. And this one here is cracked. I don't know if you can, there we go. And then this one is cracked as well. So I'm really bummed about that. This looks absolutely beautiful. Like the blues, I'm so excited about this top row. I can't even show you guys because these will literally fall out of the pan. But I'm sure Sephora will get me a new one, make sure it's packaged up right, and we can do an exchange or something because that is just a huge bummer. But you know, I've had a palette come in the mail before that is damaged. It's okay. Usually the companies are really good about exchanging it or sending you a new one because who wants a couple broken like eyeshadows in their palette? Nobody. So the damaged package on the Ole Henriksen and the palettes is kind of bumming me out. I'm still very, very excited about the other stuff I got, but definitely gonna let them know kind of what happened and give them some feedback. So if you shopped the VIB sale, please comment on what you got down below, and I will have links to everything I got as well, and I'll be sure and share with you what I think about the products. Again, already know, super obsessed with the Glow Recipe. Like, this is amazing for anyone that has sensitive skin, anyone that has dry skin. You know, I don't have super, super oily skin, so I'm not sure how it works with that, but I know it gets pretty hot and steamy down here in Florida already, and so, you know, it's been working amazing. So anyways, I will talk to you guys soon, and thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.